cannot ice shop. I cannot window shop or whatever you want to call it. I cannot do that. I have to buy something. I have to go. I have to buy something.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kenisha Says. If it's your first time coming over to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Share this video to all your friends and family. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Continue to watch, like, and subscribe. Well, tell the other friend in my family to subscribe, right? But like and share the video. As much as you watch, please hit that like button, right? Make YouTube to say you like, you're watching all these things, right? So again, welcome back. Now today is a promptu video because as you can see, I did a DIY on my vase, on my porch, and then I decorated the porch, right? So this is all about a decorating video. Again, I realized that you guys like this, but it was not something that was planned though, because I realized that I actually looked on my porch. I told you that I moved in the house maybe over a year ago, so I'm still trying to get it to put my little touch on it for it to feel like home, you know what I mean? So I look on my porch and I'm like, it just look boring, so it just look weird, like no little flavor to it, so I want a little you know what I mean? So I went ahead and I think I need help. Amazon, my best friend, they shop for everything. Yeah, I have a problem with shopping. I cannot ice shop. I cannot window shop or whatever you want to call it. I cannot do that. I have to buy something. I have to go. I have to buy something, and because if I don't buy something, but I have headache. But I cannot. I can't just go look for things and don't buy it. Like Amazon, something you put in a cart or any other online thing you go in a cart, like within the next day it's gonna be purchased, because I'm like, I need that. So nobody just lock me in and just go so and just buy immediately. I need help. But
Help me! Help me!
it's for a good cause. I just don't buy things for myself. I buy things for my house. I buy things for my kids. So it's beneficial. Right? I would say that. So I went online immediately and I just purchased some stuff, and I'm like, I need to put some flavor to you. So the items actually came way in advance than I was expecting. So when I got it, immediately I started, opening up the packages and started packing, and me start make my stuff them from scratch. And someone said to me, like, Anisha, why just turn this into a video? Like, your people like to watch you decorate stuff, right? So I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna just run from the tripod quickly and just jump in. So this is in the middle of decorating or creating the freaking chairs and stuff. So I don't have a long thing to talk about today or anything motivational or anything, sorry. But yeah, just let me know. Are you guys like what do you call it? A shopaholic, or do you need help? I think I need an intervention. Because I just buy everything. All of me not have no money. That's crazy. But tell me if you like this video, what you think about my little porch area. Yeah, just leave your comments and stuff like that. Tell me if you like it, and tell me if I need to continue doing videos like this. So this is how my little porch area is looking right now. Just blah. So last minute I've decided to put a little color out here. I can have a little bit of life. Alright guys, so I know this was short and spicy, not something that you're used to because you're used to want a long about 15-20 minute video from me. But it's a short and spicy. As I said before, it was nothing that was so planned. So, but I know that you guys like these things, so I'm not let me do it for you, okay? So there are just 2 more. I'm still waiting for 2 more, we call it, freaking plants to put up, hung up there. So for Kenisha Says today, admit when you need help, right? So if you're a shopaholic, if you are somebody who loves to correct people, a neat freak, somebody who just dates a lot, I don't know. But the first step is to admit that you need help. Admit it. When I say not easy to get rid of, I don't think it's gonna be easy to get rid of. But ask for help and then go from there, right? So tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Look out for every Sunday for a new brand new video. And guys, for you to know when a video is dropped, please don't forget to hit that bell. You see that bell beside subscribe? Hit the bell. That's your notification bell, which means that every time I pop a video up there, you are going to get notified that Kenisha Says just dropped another video. So thank you again for watching, and until later, bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say.